As Mr. Kamagi, Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. Kamuga Blona Gemina Arts Development. Engizocela ukuthi ngicule kuye kakhulu since okay, since ngicabanga ukuthi ena uwona ozorelate kunina kakhulu. But to cut it short, in Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, siyazi ukuthi sinama libraries, no museum, sidila ne-visual arts, craft, and all those sport. But mina ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ngicela ukugxila kakhulu kwe-creative sector. So as we all know ukuthi we are in KZN and sinama districts ahlukahlukene. So kuma districts ethu kune north, ne south, ne west. No western region, the north, the south, the western, or the southern region as well. So in Ulawama cluster, kuhlukahlukene ama districts under one. For example, the southern region in the Unomgundlovu, in the Ogo, iphinde futhi ibe no Herigwana district. So zooming into Itebu, they cover Ilembe, and then they divide the Itebu to 2 districts, although it's 1 district, Kobe northern, Kobe it's really north, and then the south is within, yeah. So basically what Department of Arts and Culture, since we have Minan Kamuga office in any province, yeah, and we also fund those bed center is so basically the Panama district, identify talent, khona program yethu esinayo nje esiqale last year, talent identification, whereby kuba from ama locals kuba na competition so that sizobona ukuthi na which talents to develop and map ama interventions esingawenza to develop the talent. And once identifyiwe ayahlunga lawo ma district, lawo ma artist, be it a performing artist, artist, or be it non-performing, your craft or visual man. So ayahlunga from there, aphinde futhi ayiswe kwi district level, whereby nakhona futhi kuba nama competitions, and then after that mase siyawathatha thina kwi province, kwi office la eqhamuka khona. So in the provincial office ila sibona khona ukuthi are you worthy ukuthi si-develop i-artist, umsebenzi wakho. For example, ngoba nje mina ngidila kakhulu nomsebenzi visual art and ngisebenza kakhulu ne-bed center. Sesiyabona lapho ukuthi okay fine, kumele sifake ama-exhibitions ethu yini, and we do provide a stipend whenever sibiza for ama-exhibitions ethu. For example, nje angizwa kwi-Africa Month we had i-Africa celebration la at the Playhouse. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi simbonile uPhilani, right? Philani Thuli khona i-painting yakhe ebichega yes. So Philani, I had identified well Philani a long time ago, and I was like, you know what? There will be a premiere up doing live painting. Wayenza, we organize the opportunity to premiere eyeball, and then you may want to premiere, base beya file order basenga isithombe sakhe. So what we do is we also provide such platforms, and if we khona ama visual artists lapha or ama craft, I'll be very happy ukuthi nasi exchange i-number, ngibona umsebenzi wakho, ngibona ukuthi something come up, sengiyazi ukuthi ukhona umuntu onomsebenzi esingawuthatha so exhibit, athole leso stipend leso, abone umholo stipend for ukuthi wena uqhubeke, because siyazi ukuthi in as much as kunama funding akhona, ziningi izinto edingakala bafanele kufund, yabo, fanele ku-register, fanele kube ne-NPO, and not all of us are interested in that. So what we do thina ngalo 7.5 osukuthola uma sibizile for exhibit, so lesizena thenga that material, bona nawe ukuthi uqhuba kanjani ilondozana yakho. So it's a form of a funding but not an actual funding, yabo. And then mase siyaphinda futhi, for example nje uma sine mall, we do provide the opportunity nakhona futhi kufuna uzo exhibit ama mall if mhlawumbe kunama international platforms. We also provide such opportunities for you to come and exhibit on, and we are also trying to create other platforms as well, so that sizokwazi ukuthi nizenzele imali nina, because uHOD wethu emphasizes kakhulu ekutheni monetization. Yes, we cannot be providing imali funding ngaso sonke isikhathi, but we also need to provide opportunities for nina ukuthi nizikwazi ukuthi naniyimele ningahlezi nidipendile kwi-Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. And then when it comes to performing artists as well, and kade ngibona nje ubhuti esiperformela kahle la, nakhona futhi ngokunjalo we do talent identification. So ngiyazi ukuthi abanye benu they'll be like, okay, we always see programs by Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, but we're not part of them. And ngoba ngisho nje ukuthi unfortunately you will have to go through your district, bakwazi kwi district yakho, so that uma bekwazi kwi district yakho khona nje office la Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, bakwazi khona ungene kwi database yakhona uma bethi come and lotozana take part in my competition, usuyazi nawe ukuthi okay, should we need imaging performing artists, nawe ukhona. So this is how we get to know ama artists. Base ukuthi lana asevelela vele asemakhulu, yabo kukulula ke wona, because vele siyazi ukuthi aseku stage sokuthi benga performer nje professionally and then isibalize ke bona. But since thina sisakhula, we also need to make sure that we form part of lawo lontozana esinawo, ama programs esinawo within the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. And then when it comes to funding, kade sinayo nje evalwe last or April, I mean, whereby you provide us zonke into zakho, your company, ban. So akhona funding. It's just that kumele ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ulethe iproposal yakho, ithi go via ikhona email that I'll also share, noma ke sevaliwe ke manje uwazi ukuthi une-idea yakho nani, uyazi ukuthi uyakuleyo uthumelela kuleyo email, and then lihlale ikomiti ba-analyze i-program ilontozana yakho your proposal, and then baphendule futhi uma bebona ukuthi awuqualify kuyona. Ngicela ukuthatha umbuzo before ngiqhubeka. Oh, okay. So uma kuza lapho ke funding, mase siba nama training ke again, because in as much as ama artists engabakhona ubona ukuthi une-talent lakho ubona ukuthi cha liyadinga ukuthi libe sendaweni yokuthi now you can compete with other people, and nawe futhi ungaba kwi-stage sokuthi ungashowcase i-talent lakho. Mase kuba nama art centers. For example, eBet Center. eBet Center sisebenzisana kakhulu nayo, and we've been funding eBet Center for years and years. So, Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, noma yona ingeke ibe it's physically provide the opportunity for artists, but iyafunda as well. Ama art centers, I think we're funding about 14 art centers. Your Playhouse, your KZN Philharmonic Orchestra, your Ban. It's the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. So sometimes you must say, hi department, I can say so yes, you are here a bed center, Panama programs, it's still the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture as well. And even in other districts, there are football. And then when it comes to training, there are trainings enzeka or programs enzeka kuma art centers, masukuba nama trainings enziwa i-department. For example, njengoba bengisho ukuthi besenza ama-eliminations abantu baya kuma-district, and then uma sebefika kumina ngiyabona ukuthi laba bantu abekhe ezingeni lokuthi sesingabanika i-platform ukuthi ngabe exhibit, and then they get that stipend. Sizokwenza i-training yama-visual artist, siphinde futhi senze i-training yo-craft, so that bezokwazi ukuthi nabo bebe kulo level kuleyo training yeke sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi whoever ozobe esitrainela mina unika i-opportunity yokuthi nani akhona uku-engage kahle one-on-one. For example nje if umuntu uphenda but i-painting yakho akufundisa ama-techniques sokuthi okay fine fanele wenze anginike the individual attention so that now uzokwazi ukuthi ube ne-confidence ngomsebenzi wakho ube out there. Mase from the group ekade train yakho bese sibona ukuthi usukile from this level to this level. Sesiyakwazi ukuthi nawe sinika ama-opportunities just like we did kuPhilani that other time. Yabo. And from that wathola ama-out amaningi usozokwazi ukuthi na aqhubeke nomsebenzi wakhe. And then when you come to performing artists, whenever siba nama-project programs whether njengoba sine-Africa Day nje uzolifeka kuyona ngoba ibila eduze. Siyabuyela back kwi-districts le bengithe ngicela ukuthi nibe nobudlelwane kwi-districts benazi ni-participate ama-programs akhona ngoba bayakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay fine these are the people abakwi-level ye-district or abasafuna aba-emerging artists ngisho njalo yabo abafuna ukuvelela abafuna opportunity and then they go back to the database bathi ngoba nansi i-project noma i-program noma ngabe it's at a provincial level we make sure ukuthi siyawanika again ama-artists asafuna ukuveza bebonakale nabo ukuthi they are out there. So nje into engam-emphasize kakhulu ukuthi for you to work with the Department of Arts and Culture ningahlaleli ngaphandle nisondeze nani with-department and whenever you have ama-questions nani siyaresponda. Mina ngiyakhuluma-ke ku-WhatsApp uma khona into oyidingayo nje ngiyamnika umuntu i-attention. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sengiqedile.
Questions?
Testing. Okay. Just actually wanted to actually finish with the conversation. So I'm bringing up the puzzles. I have a list of questions here. The first question is, you spoke of what there's money which is allocated, or there is money within the department. And then was classified in terms of what there's a regions, there's the South Coast, and then there's the North Coast. So my question is there any money which is allocated per ward, if I may say, for artist development, or the money is only just within the department? Since we clarify there's North, there's South, and then there's within almost no municipality within the South and all of those things. How money is allocated? Is it allocated per ward? Is it allocated for Ward 107, or is it just allocated for your region? I hope I'm getting the clarification. And the other question here is why the department, which is your office, does not have, if it has, the art gallery, which is specific for artists. Just for them, I kind of feel like it would be a good, nice place to have an art gallery which would cater for artists, for them to exhibit their work and stuff like that. So why the department has been taking really long to actually implement that. And on top of that, it would be a good idea if for the government would have a public studio which would cater for artists as well, because those guys would have money as well. I kind of feel that would be a good idea. So I would just give you those two questions for now. Thank you.
Three questions actually. Okay, let us first start with the first question. Yes, the department. Ngoba ngichazile nje ukuthi mina ngiqhamuka e-office le-province. Lapha kuma-district, asithi nje akasenze example ngeTheku. I-budget yaseThekwini, yes, i-allocate of ama-artists aseThekwini. I-cover ama-artists ahlala eLembe, iphinde futhi i-cover ama-artists ahlala la eThekwini. Noma-ke sihlukanisa kawu-2 iTheku, kuba yi-North, I think i-North isho oLontozana. Or kwamasho nani and then i-South kuba iTheku nani unjalo Umlazi yabo. So yes, per district ikhona imali allocated for ama-artists. So what you need to do is fanele uye khona ukwazi ukuthi mapha ama-programs kule mali allocated for ama-artists yabo eninawo, and then ubone ukuthi will you be part of wona yiloma programs, or ube futhi nakhona as I say abakwazi so that uzoba ingxenye yamalontoza lawo ma-programs. That's the first one. And then the second one, ile art gallery. It's a tricky one. Yeah. Kodwa we had tried in the past ukwenza